my name's Graham Penman and I'm a global ambassador for the DocFusion's product. I've been in the process automation space almost my entire career, primarily looking at document generation and assembly. And I've had the privilege of working in different roles within companies, from technical sales to consultancy through to customer support, and latterly I was the product director for a leading provider of document assembly and generation technology. And as such, I've had the experience of being able to work with lots of different types of organizations, from mid to large insurance companies to the world's largest financial organizations who have to generate incredibly complex agreements for some incredibly complex financial products. And that's given me a lot of insight into the way that document automation is used within business process. And today, in many business processes, in fact, between 75 and 80% of business process within organizations contains document generation, that need to assemble or compile a document for a customer or a client or another area of the business. And why am I here talking to you today about this? Well, about 4 years ago, a group of software execs and IT specialists got together and we decided that we were going to create a new company called Jam Automation, based here in the UK. And we set out with a vision to partner with the best technology providers in the process automation space that we could. And part of that is going to be assembling documents and partnering with a document assembly technology company. And when we went out to the market, we studied lots of different options. But each time we compared them to DocFusion, DocFusion would come out on top. So as we look at DocFusion today, and as you're here with us, I really hope that you get a sense of the excitement around process automation and document generation. And yes, I said that excitement because there's a huge amount of potential for organizations to transform their document processes using the DocFusion product. And I'm super excited today about the things that the DocFusion team are going to be talking about, whether that is the new batch document generation capabilities that has just been implemented. And I saw a demo of it a few weeks ago, and I'm super excited to take that to our customers to show them those capabilities, through to the brand new Salesforce app on the App Exchange that allows organizations to seamlessly integrate document generation into their Salesforce environment, making use of all that rich customer data to produce tailored content for their customers in a super easy way. In fact, in many cases, it's just a single button click to produce documents within the Salesforce CRM. And so with that, before we jump into the other parts of the sessions, I want to do a really quick overview of the DocFusion product, what it is, what it does, and some of the benefits of it. And then we'll get started with the rest of the event. There are typically 4 areas of interest when it comes to document automation and generation technology, and DocFusion ticks all the boxes. Firstly, it's all about template authoring. How do you allow someone in your organization to take the documents you produce on a regular basis in the format that they're in, typically Word or PDF, and transform them into intelligent document templates? And that's the process of finding all the changeable bits of information and the business rules, and then inserting placeholders into their place, so that the next time that somebody goes to generate the document, all the data gets fed in, and the document is produced with the data in all the right places, with all the right styling and formatting, with all the right business rules impacted, and allows you to centralize and standardize the document production. The great thing about template authoring within DocFusion is that it's a word add-in. So that allows non-technical users who are maybe more advanced Word users to be able to create their own templates and manage their own template content. And it's so easy to do that this removes the costly development time that potentially IT are spending on creating and managing templates, and allows business users to be able to manage that template for themselves. And because you're removing that cost, it basically allows DocFusion to pay for itself in the development time saved. So first of all, template authoring. Second of all, template management, that ability to have version control around your templates, to be able to have a centralized repository of templates, to be able to manage the component parts of your templates like headers and footers and standard clauses in a managed way, so that you can ensure that when documents are assembled, they contain all the most up-to-date relevant information that you need. Thirdly, it's about the document assembly. It's about, once I've got a template and I'm managing it, how do I assemble it? How do I allow other systems to have access to it? How do I allow business processes to make use of this rich template content to produce the documents at the right place, at the right time, with all the right information and the accuracy that you need for your documents? So that ability to be integrated into workflows, the ability to be able to have batch document generation, or the ability just to click a button in your CRM and have the right document produced, customized for that customer. And lastly, it's about being able to post-process that document. So when a document is generated, where does that document go? Does it go into your document repository? Does it go into your CRM? Does it get sent into a signing process for a customer to sign it? Does it have to have PDF-A compliance? Does it have to have security put on it? So these are the 4 components that really make up a document automation solution: template authoring, template management, the actual assembly of the document, but fourth and finally, what happens to that document after it's produced. And that is where DocFusion stands out in the market for its way of handling all these 4 different aspects of the process. And with that, that's the end of my spiel. That's the end of my little piece today. I'm sorry I couldn't be with you and this is being done over video, but I'm sure you'll have a great rest of your event. And it's been fantastic to be with you.